Hi, I'm Shamika Askew with the Law Office of Shamika Askew, located in Brandon, Florida. So today I want to talk about pro se litigants. So pro se litigants are people who decide to go into court and represent themselves. They don't hire a lawyer. So in this particular video, I'm going to focus on pro se litigants and family law cases. So one of the tips that I have for you guys, and I decided to do this video because I get a lot of pro se litigants calling me for consultations and they'll pay for the consultation, but I can tell that they really don't want to hire me because they don't want to pay the money, right, for an attorney, which I get. So I give them advice as much as I can to help them and send them on their merry way, because ultimately, if it gets overwhelming, guess who they're going to call? Me. So anyways, back to the program. So the advice that I have for the pro se litigant is, if you file a motion with the court, keep in mind that the court does not know that you filed that motion. A lot of you guys think that as soon as you file the motion, the court is supposed to contact you and say, hey, I saw you file that motion. Let's get this set for hearing. That is not how it works. So what you have to do is, once you file the motion with the court, you have to find out who the judge's assistant is. First, find out who your judge is. Then find out who the judge's assistant is. This information can be found online. Maybe one day I'll do a video of how you can do that. Then after you find out who the judicial assistant is, then you need to literally go on to your Google or your Gmail or whatever email service you use, send the JA, the judicial assistant, an email and say, hey, I filed this motion. I'm looking to set this motion for hearing. Now, keep in mind that you need to copy the other side on the email. So let's just say you're a father and you're looking to set your motion for hearing and you email the JA, make sure you copy the mother on that email so that way both parties are on the email with the court. You don't want to have a one-sided email with the court. So I just had to give that tidbit of information because several people have called me lately and they're like, yeah, I filed this months ago and the court didn't do anything. And I'm like, yeah, that's because the court doesn't know that your motion exists. So you have to notify the court that it exists and set it for hearing. I hope that helps. Again, I'm Shamika Askew with the Law Office of Shamika Askew, located in Brandon, Florida. If you have any questions pertaining to family law, probate, and personal injury, feel free to give me a call. I would love to assist you, and or put your comments, your questions below. I love that, because whatever your questions are, I'll make a video about it more than likely, because if you're asking, more than likely other people have the same question. Thanks.